There's so many car crashes that lead to severe injuries and deaths that are due from drinking and driving. Knowing that there are laws that try to prevent this problem, many people think they can get away with it. Laws need to be stricter so this problem will be solved. Laws such as getting their license suspended after one DUI, having a required amount of jail time longer than just until the morning after, and being made to go to rehab will hopefully be strict enough to prevent drinking and driving. 2 years ago, I was affected horribly from this topic. In 2016, my twin sister, Casey Wood, was killed in a car accident from a drunk driver. This person who was responsible for this horrific accident was driving under the influence. He was drinking under the legal age, driving with a suspended license, with having a few previous DUIs. There are laws that are able to suspend your license after a DUI, but many times it's after one DUI. In the website drivesafely.com, it states that each DUI offense will result in higher fines, more jail time, and more several consequences. But that is after one DUI. Each DUI will work its way up, and it will have longer and more effective charges. In the article Drinking and Driving, Facts and Solutions, the single most effective measure to reduce drunk driving is automatic license revocation. The first offense should be as equal as the fourth, no matter if you can pass the test of walking in the straight line and all that, it should just be the same. A DUI is a DUI. Police will testify about your driving, physical appearance, smell of alcohol in your breath, admission of drinking, time of day or night, where you are coming from, performance on field sobriety test. States the article first offense for misdemeanor. If the test shows that a person has been drinking, that should be enough. You shouldn't just get away with it if you pass the sobriety test. After someone gets a DUI the first time, it should make them never want to drive again, or drink and drive again. In the Los Angeles DUI attorney website, it states that you will be released when the police are done processing you. This can take longer or shorter depending on the circumstances. It also states that there's nothing nice about spending time in jail. You have no privacy, few luxuries, and the experience of uncomfortable and intimidating. The less time you will spend there, the better. No law should ever put that, because the less time is just showing people that they can get away with it. They should spend the time they deserve for putting other people in the public of others at risk. After experience a DUI, suspended license, and jail time, people need to be made to go to rehab. Rehab is more of a choice. You get the choice to think you should get better, or if you don't think you should, you don't have to go. In the article Rehab for DUI Charges, it states that many states have drug and alcohol rehabs program that give the first-time drunk drivers a chance to get treatment for substance abuse before they face the full penalties for a DUI. There should be no choice. You should be made to go and get the help you need, because if you get away with it the first time, you think you can get away with it multiple times after. Drinking and driving has always been an issue in this country, and there needs to be a stop to it. There's so many consequences that are caused because of drinking and driving, such as injuries or deaths. If the laws were to be stricter, this could minimize the public safety and the harm of the public. People need to no longer have license, need to serve a required amount of jail time, and need to be made to go to rehab in order for them to learn from their mistakes. But if they get away with it and don't serve the jail time, they don't get their license suspended, and don't be made to go get the help they need, they will do it again. All it takes is one time to ruin or cost a person's life, including the person that decides to do the act of drinking and driving. Everyone needs to stop drinking and driving.